Today is the day, long overdue. We are headed off to Las Vegas, Nevada, but first, the new Where is everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, the Aventador, the Gladiator, the Supra, they're down at SEMA right now. We are flying off to Vegas later this afternoon, but first we're headed 20 minutes that way to make some models because finally the new Supercar has arrived, the new red Ferrari. But it's not just any red Ferrari. There's a bit of a caveat. Yes, a caveat. There's a black Aventador Roadster right there. And welcome to Make Some Models. There is no better day than delivery day. So this red Ferrari, I've seen it, of course, I've sat in it. I have never heard it turn on, and of course, I've never driven it. And that's because the car was kind of sort of not broken, but broken. Well, it needed a new battery, which is generally pretty easy, but this car is, well, there's a caveat. We're leaving the Gallardo here at Make Some Models. It's leaking that coolant. We got the i8 right there. We got the 488 and the GT3 RS. Guys, check this out. We got this matte black Lamborghini Huracan right here. We got the matte black Gallardo back there. We got Chad's Diablo. That car is so sinister. I'm just delaying though. The Ferrari's right over there. I can't quite see it. I've already seen it though, but we're gonna see it soon. We got the black Aventador Roadster. This thing looks so stealthy. I'd reckon there might be 10 Aventadors in the entire state of Utah. Always cool to see when we got the NSX there in the back. Okay, yes, I'm delaying. We are about to reveal the car. I have been delaying long enough. We have the lizard green Porsche GT3 RS. I did not buy that car. We're here at Make Some Models. We have all their factory race cars right here. I can see the car now. I am so excited. I kind of sort of snaked you guys a little bit. We have the, I'm just kidding, I did not buy a gray Ferrari. I bought a red Ferrari, but I did not buy a 488 Spider. This is the craziest car I have ever bought, and the fact that we are going to drive this car on the street is not necessarily unprecedented, but anyways, we have the Ferrari F430 Challenge car. That's right, boys. This is a thoroughbred Ferrari factory race car. I have bought this car, and I'm going to put a Utah license plate on it legally. This is a legit Ferrari challenge car. Like, this Ferrari raced in the Challenge Series back in 2011. It's a factory wide body as well. And like the side windows, that's it, boys. We got the massive oversized carbon fiber wing. The exhaust is straight and true. And look at that diffuser. This thing is gonna be an absolute monster to drive on the street. Wait for it. The door squeaks. That's when I knew this car was for me. So we're going to attempt to get from here into there. We have the full roll cage. I was working on my backflip last night, and I kind of sort of fell on my head. I survived. It's really a story of inspiration, but my back does not feel very good. There's no heater, there's no air conditioning, there's no radio, and the steering wheel kind of sort of pops off like so. Now we're gonna get a cold startup, but there's a bit of a sequence. We gotta turn the main power on, this on-off switch, turn the ignition, and then hit the start button. Now, I have not heard this car because it takes a very special battery that we had to air freight from Italy. That's why this video has taken so long, because we've been waiting for this battery, because without the battery, we can't start up the car, which means we can't drive the car, but the battery arrived. Main power on switch, ignition. I wish you guys could be here to hear this car. It is definitely loud. Oh my gosh. What? Dude, Derek, thank you. This is so sick. Derek, the owner of Make Some Models, he called me about 2 weeks ago. He's like, hey bro, I got this challenge car. You want it? I was like, Yes, I definitely want it. This is the craziest thing. This is the craziest thing we've ever done on the channel. Oh my gosh, and we are gonna license plate this thing. We're gonna take this to the grocery store. We're gonna take this to Chick-fil-A. Like, this is my new daily. It is so much wider than the standard 430, and boys, it is low to the ground. This thing is an absolute monster. We have so many cool things planned for this car. Wow. That thing is bonkers. What? Oh my gosh. This thing. Yes, 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 yes. I'd like to take this moment to apologize to my neighbors. They are going to officially hate me. Like, the Aventador is loud, but boys, this is like next level. This is actually happening. We got the 4-point racing harness on. It's just like the factory F430. Upshift here on the right paddle, and we're off, boys. We are off. And we have blinkers. We got blinkers right there. We're good. This is the coolest thing ever. What? Wow. Oh my gosh, that was like 5,000 and redlines at 8. What? Oh boys, we have done it. This is the coolest thing ever. I don't know what to say. I am completely speechless. Oh my goodness, what have we done? This is the greatest car I've ever driven in my life. Oh my gosh, this is so sick. I can't remember the last time I experienced such joy and satisfaction. This car sounds absolutely bonkers, and the tires are just like, we cannot get any traction. Oh, wow, 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 wow. In traffic, it drives pretty nice. Like, the transmission is buttery smooth. It just sounds insane. That was 4,000 RPMs. It redlines at 8,500. 8,500. I am gonna get in so much trouble in this car. I will go to jail in this car. It sounds insane. It sounds like a Formula 1 car. I am legit sweating like a pig right now. There's no heat, there's no air conditioning. It's like 1,000,000,000 degrees. I am strapped in a factory Ferrari race car on the street in the state of Utah legally. This is the sickest thing ever. Wait for it. It's a little bit. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you could see that, but there was a Salt Lake City police officer that just drove down this road. So we're just gonna kind of sort of chill. I mean, the car's just so excessively loud that even at low speeds, it sounds like you're going 1,000,000 miles an hour, even though we're going under 55. Like, I'm sure of it. The greatest thing I have ever experienced in my life is this car. Are you kidding me? We got reverse right there. Unfortunately, there is not a backup camera, which would be nice. There's also not a rear view mirror, not yet. Like, there's a handful of things we have to do to really get this street legal. I mean, it is street legal, it just doesn't have a rear view mirror. All right, so, we gotta put it in neutral, undo this. We're gonna turn ignition off.
Well, sir, what's it gonna take you to put you in this car today?
That is the sickest experience I have ever had in a car in my entire life, and I am not exaggerating.
You're shaking.
That was insane, guys. Dude, that is nuts. It sounds insane. Oh my gosh. I am like mentally, physically, and emotionally exhausted from 5 minutes in this car as it rolls backwards.
It comes with a standard chock.
Yes,
that you put in the back
yes, a
wheel.
standard chock. The e-brake option, we didn't select that
I
option.
didn't get that one.
I am legit at a loss for words. That is unequivocally the greatest car experience I have ever had. The car is so raw. It sounds like a Formula One car on the road. Originally, the plan was to actually do a manual conversion and twin turbo this car, but after driving it, like, it is so much fun. It is so fast. It sounds amazing. I don't want to ruin the experience. I don't know how I feel about this carbon wing. I think it's a bit of a monstrosity, but we got to come up with a cool wrap, some cool wheels. We got the center lock wheels. We need to get a very, very custom socket to actually remove those. There's some fiberglass imperfections here and there. So the car's not like a 100-point car. It is so much fun. Unfortunately, my flight down to Vegas takes off in an hour and a half. It's a 20-minute ride to the airport. So like, we could talk about the car all day, but I'd miss my flight and I'd miss SEMA. And so we're gonna leave the car here at Makes and Models. There's a couple things. There's a minor oil leak as well that has to get sort of fixed. Also, I have 6 cars now, and I only have a place to park 3 of them. So I don't actually have a place to park this. I should have, yeah. The bonnet is full carbon fiber, and this actually just pops right off, kind of like so. Isn't that insane? Whoa, there's actually a reasonable amount of storage down there. You can see the air jack system right there as well, but I need to figure out how to put this back on, and well, the camera's in my hand. This is precarious. This 430 Challenge car, it has so many cool features, and I'm gonna give you guys the full walk around, but my Uber's gonna be here in 2 minutes. It's the most bittersweet feeling ever because we took delivery of this car, but just like that, we have to say bye. We need to do a bunch of stuff to this car. It needs a speedometer, it needs a fuel gauge, it needs a rear view mirror, it needs GPS, navigation, heated seats. I'm just kidding, okay. It needs a speedometer, it needs a fuel gauge. But what do you guys think we should do with this car? Let me know in the comments below. Oh my goodness. Ferrari, I already miss you, but we gotta go to SEMA. That is sort of an unexpected sequence in the vlog. But welcome here to Las Vegas. We're out here on Las Vegas Boulevard. We got the Supra, we got the event. This is so insane. Hop back in, but yeah. The doors are up on the Aventador. This was Clayton's idea though. He told me to do this.
Credit for that.
That's, yeah, you get all credit for sure. This is fantastic. It is like really, really hot in Vegas. It's like built-in air conditioning with the doors up. That cop doesn't seem to mind, at least not yet. More to come in the video. We are in Vegas. Yes, breathe it in, boys. All right, we gotta roll. See you guys. We got the police right there, but I think we're okay. Vegas is a weird place, like, everything goes. What'd the cops say?
Did you guys hear what the cop said on the megaphone?
No, we didn't.
He's like, he doesn't think your flames are legal.
And then he just drove off.
He just drove off.
He didn't care at all.
He loved it.
Jeez. It's like in Las Vegas, you can do whatever you want and nobody cares. We have Stefan there on the right, Bailey on the left. Stefan is filming a sick video right now. We're gonna play that in 3, 2, 1.